it's Ronan. In this video, I wanted to show you how we can play chords and make them not boring. We can borrow from other accompanists and see what are they doing and apply it to the accordion. So the song What Was I Made For by Billie Eilish, it's part of the monthly challenge over on Accordion Love, has 3 chords, a B flat, a D minor, and an E flat. We can play that any number of ways. These are all B flats. But what do we do instead of just playing the chord? That sounds nice. What we can do is let's listen to the live performance of Phineas and Billie Eilish playing it. But we've separated what Phineas is doing on the piano. Let's have a listen. D minor, E flat. Dum 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 dum. So what is he doing there? This is what I call a Beatles style piano. In B flat, choose a voicing of B flat. We're going to play the top 2 notes and the bottom note. Just like that. This is Hey Jude, don't make it. Or What Was I Made For? I used to float, now I just fall down. So many songs this kind of accompaniment works for. She will never say where she came from. Silent night. That type of accompaniment works so well. And again, with the magic of AI, we could separate the tracks of what the piano player is doing, of what the violin player, of what the guitar player is doing. This works so well. And it's only one way that we can express a chord more creatively. Some other ways that we've seen over on the live learning section of Accordion Love, splitting up that same B flat and move up. Same notes, but instead of top 2 notes and bottom note, up, down. We could do just down. We see this in Unchained Melody. Oh, my love. We can also go up. Any combination, outside and in. This works across a variety of musical genres. And again, the musical challenge this month, we're taking it from practice and applying it to real life by accompanying Leonard Cohen, Billie Eilish, a violin player. I suggest you give it a try. Let me know if you have any questions. Check us out on the live learning as well. Thank you.